Ronnie, aka Chef Ronstaa. I'm here making one of the many videos of cooking. Today we'll be cooking a favorite dish from North India, tandoori chicken. Since many of us do not have tandoori clay ovens in our home, the other best part to do it is to cook it on a grill with a nice smoky flavor. Mwah. So the tandoori chicken, I have 2 pounds of it. There'll be two-step marination to it. First marination involves lemon juice. That'll be 1 whole lemon, fresh lemon squeezed, not the ones that you get from the stores. It's not good. Throw it out. Get it out of the way. Only fresh ingredients. If it's not fresh, I throw it out the window. For the first prep, I'll be using the ingredients: 1 freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Once all the ingredients are mixed in well, rub it onto the chicken and let it marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. Alright guys, now that it has been 2 hours, let's take the chicken out of the fridge and start the second prep. I'll be using the below ingredients for the second prep: 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, 1/2 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, and 2 tablespoons of garam masala. So once you get all these ingredients mixed in, what I'm going to do is let it sit in the fridge overnight, 12 hours preferred, before we put it on the grill. Guys, I showed you how to light up the charcoal. Like, zoom in real quick. You see all the nice embers going on? Nice and hot. That's how you want it. All right. Now we're gonna put the grill on it. I used coconut oil spray. I'm Indian. You know we love it. Land of the coconuts, baby. Get it hot, baby. So guys, I have the chicken marinated over a Ziploc bag. It's almost been 18 hours. Nice and simmering, nice and sizzling. Throw it on the grill. Look at the juiciness in there. Guys, it's been about 40 minutes. I flipped it around like 20 minutes ago. And now let's see how this looks. Oh yeah! Look at this. Tandoori chicken. Chef Ronstaa, hollering at y'all. I always taste my food before I give it to my guests. So hope you like the video, and if you want to let me know anything you want me to cook, put it in the comments below. But don't forget to subscribe and like. Chef Ronstaa coming at y'all.